Hey everyone! So I'm gonna make this quick coupon discount Target savings video because some of my friends have asked how I save so much from my Target run when I had put a picture up on my Facebook. So I'm gonna kind of break it down as much as possible so it's kind of easy to understand. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the main thing that everyone's been asking me about is the Honest diapers. I have 4 Honest diapers, or 4 boxes of Honest diapers. 3 of them are 80 count each, and then the bottom one is 76 count. And the 3 that are 80 count each are size 1s, and then the bottom one is a size 2. Because I didn't want to get too many size 1s, and they have another size 1, but only one left of size 2. So I'd rather just get the size 2, just in case I might need that one, and the baby outgrows size 1. But besides that, it doesn't matter which size you get. It's just as long as you get diapers right. But so yeah. So for the diapers, if you went to Target and you registered or had a baby registry, they give you a Target coupon inside, or Target coupons inside of the gift bag. And there is one coupon for Honest diapers that is, if you buy, I want to say up to $50 worth of Honest diapers, you get $25 off. So basically, one box of diapers, well, in my area, it costs, how much did it cost? $25.99. So, round it up to $26. So it's almost like you're getting one box for free just using that coupon alone, because 2 boxes is already like what, $51, $52. So if you use a coupon, then it's like you're just paying like about $25 plus tax or something like that. So that was already a very good discount. But at the time when I bought these diapers, I also have the Target app. Sorry if you hear the washer and dryer. But at the time when I was buying these diapers, on the Target app, they had the cartwheel discount, that if you click the discount, or yeah, it's not a coupon, it's a discount, it's a cartwheel discount. At the time, they were having a promotion for summer print diapers for, I want to say, was it 15% off? No, for 10% off. So on top of the coupon that I already had, then I could get 10% off of my transaction for these just 2 boxes of diapers. And then, oh, and also Target has, well, I don't know, by the time you're watching this video, I hope they're still having it. But they had the buy 2 boxes of diapers, get a $10 Target gift card. So that was even more of a discount. So basically, if you were to buy 2 boxes and then it comes to ring out like $26, you get a $10 gift card. So technically, you're kind of paying like $16 for 1 box, kind of, if you want to kind of think of it like that. I'll have everything broken down on the side. So that was already a great deal just because you're getting $10 gift card back from Target. So you're having money to spend again, if you want to think of it like that. So this is what I did to get 4 boxes at such a good deal. So I rang up 2 boxes and used my coupon, scanned my discount off of my Target app, and got my $10 gift card. Then I rang up the next order of diapers. Did the same thing, but this time I used the $10 from my first order onto my second order, so that I got a discount there. And I also still got my $10 gift card from this transaction. So just doing all of that, it made one transaction like $21, the next transaction $11. If you're not gonna like count the gift cards you know, as a discount already for the first transaction. If you kind of understand, you're keeping up with what I'm saying, but like I said, I'll break it down for you. But yeah, so that's how I got such a good deal with these. And so since I had a second gift card, I wanted to use my 7th generation discounts and coupons, because the gift bag that Target gives you also gives you coupons for 7th generation stuff. And so let me pull up my notes for that. Okay, so 7th generation diapers. This is a newborn 36 count. At my Target, it cost $11.99, and the Cartwheel app, well, the Target app, which is a Cartwheel discount, had a 15% off discount going on at that time. So it took like $1.80 off, which left me with $10.19. And then I had a $5 Target coupon from the gift bag, so that left me with it being $5.19. Now I could have stopped there, just saying like that's how much I paid for just these diapers. Even though they were $11.99, I paid $5.19. But since I've been like trying to figure out ways to save and stuff, and I've been home bored out of my mind, I also had the Ibotta app, and they were having a thing going on where you could save, or you can rebate $2 back to yourself because they're having a promotion going on for the 7th generation diapers. So basically, I paid only $3.19 for these diapers, which is not bad, in my opinion, compared to what the original price was anyways. So this is a 256 count of the wipes from 7th generation. Oh, the reason why I actually did want to get these wipes were, at the time, hopefully you guys can catch it, it was actually buy one pack of wipes, get the second one for 40% off. So that's why I was trying to get these. Oh, and that's actually how I got it cheaper, now that I think about it. Because they didn't have a second pack of these wipes, I asked them for a rain check, because some people say that you can get rain checks for certain items that they don't have in stock. Well, because they said that they might not get these in stock anytime soon, they just went ahead and discounted these 40% off, like as if it was a second pack of wipes. So this ended up actually being only $4 to begin with, and then I took the $2 off, so it actually was only $2, you know, with the coupon. So hopefully you understand what I'm saying. But like I said, I'll break it down. But yeah, so this ended up being a lot cheaper. And so the second gift card that I had, I applied it to both of these. So basically this was $8, and then this was like maybe like $5.19. So whatever the price was, I ended up paying with the gift card, just like after the gift card took out, maybe like $1.60 or something like that. Something like that. It wasn't that much. I just remember it was being $1. But so yeah, so I applied the gift card to these, just so I can go ahead and just get these coupons out of the way for this, just so I can use it, you know. I'm sure I could have waited it out, but I was just like, well, might as well, because they were having a little discount for one of these, and then that was my Target haul, like actually going in the store. Now with these wipes, these are 4 packs of 216 wipes in each of them. Well, and each pack is 3 packs. Let's see, it says 3 packs in each of them. So the 216 are broken down into 3 packs in one thing. But altogether is 216 each package. And so how many wipes is that? So I have 864 wipes of these Target Up baby wipes, the fresh cucumber ones. Now with those, I actually got those on this little promo that they had on Google Express. Someone had tagged me. Julie tagged me. If you're watching, Julie, thank you. But Julie had tagged me, and so basically, if you're a first-time buyer for Google Express, and then you use this promo code that they had, you get $10 off of your first order. Now with Target, because there's like a whole bunch of stores that sell within Google Express, So with Target, originally the post was talking about Pampers, but you could use the promo code for anything, whatever you want. It doesn't necessarily have to be for baby wipes even, but I used it for baby wipes. So if you buy up to $15 worth of products, you get free shipping. So each of these were about $4.60 or something like that. So I just rounded it up and bought 4 so that it would be over like a little bit over 15, like almost at $20, close to $20. So then I apply the promo code on there and end up paying maybe like, yeah, it was like $8. I think I paid like $8.20 or something like that. Oh, like let's just say these were like about $4.60, and then times that by 4 since I got 4 packs. So all 4 of those would have cost me $18.40, and then I minus a $10 promo code that they had. So I only paid out of pocket $8.40 around there, because I didn't have to pay for shipping. So those were a good deal because, like I said, I would have been paying $18, but instead only just paid $8. So I don't think that's a bad deal. And this is my first like official big, well, not counting those, but like this is like my first official big couponing thing I've done. But yeah, so that is just what I wanted to tell everyone, because I know a few of you have asked me, and I've already talked to a few of you about how I got such a good deal on these. What was it that was asking me? Oh yeah, Aunt and Jessica. Since they're about to have a baby, actually about the same time as me and Bruce. So hopefully this helped you guys figure out how to get these for the cheap. Like I said, I had told Aunt already, whatever you do, just get on the app for Target or get on target.com, but just make sure that the diapers are in stock and that they meet the requirements of the coupon, the amount wise, and like kind of check to see if they're having a thing going on for like buy one get second box of diapers with a $10 gift card from Target. Just because I don't want you guys to drive so far and waste your time trying to get these, because that would suck. I just live next to a Target, so it's kind of easy for me to go out and just do it, but for some of you that don't live near a Target, I don't want you to waste your gas and your time. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please feel free to text me, the ones that know me. And the ones that don't know me, just feel free to like leave any comments on the bottom. Or if you're actually a really good couponer, especially for baby stuff, please leave your advice. I will take it and be thankful for it. Because like I said, I'm new to this. I'm just trying it out. I mean, why not? Why spend extra money if you don't have to, right? You could spend money on something else like food or I don't know, just bills, whatnot. So I'd rather save as much money as I can on things that I can save money on. But other than that, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Bye, guys.